How are you guys? Here we are again on another project that's been completed by Freedom. So what I want to show you here, this job's in Newstead. What we've done here, we've just updated it and brought it to today's standard. It was just your run-of-the-mill bathroom that your project builder would build. But the client here has renovated the whole house and she's got this nice style going on, and we wanted to bring that into the bathroom. So have a look at this beautiful bathroom. We've got your black floor, but your white walls, and but your timber finish on your cabinetry. The bath has been enlarged, so it was a skinny long bath. We've made it a shorter bath, but it's a 800 wide, so you got a nice wide bath, but it's got a good depth on it, so an adult would fit in there and have a nice soak in there as well. But being a shower over a bath, it's wide enough for a good shower as well. But have a look at this cabinetry here. It's all drawer system, soft closing, but the colour of the wood goes really well with that black tile as the backdrop. And then when you look over here at the laundry, now this laundry used to have a doorway, so to speak, with 3 doors that used to split, and you'd fold them over and the door come apart and it was all rickety, and the purpose of it was to hide the laundry. But what we've done here is we've actually made the laundry a feature. So you have a look at this beautiful red mosaic tile. This tile here, it's not a cheap tile, but have a look at it, it's a beautiful tile. That little piece there cost about $400. Very expensive, but it's worth it. Have a look at what we've done. Now that red on the timber finish and the black tile with the white over there, it just pops. And with the top on the laundry, we haven't done too much there. We've kept that white simple, because if you've done something there, then you're going to have too many features, and that's another thing you've got to be aware of. Don't have too many features in your room. Keep it simple as you can, but then make things pop, like your cabinetry, your splashback, and your floor tile. So this is the main bathroom, but we also done the ensuite here as well, and we've carried this theme here through into the ensuite. So let's go over to the ensuite and we'll see what we've done in there. Okay, so here we are in the ensuite. So the ensuite, the size of this ensuite is a little bit bigger than the main bathroom, but it's an ensuite, so you want more room in your ensuite. The colour theme that we've got going on in here is the same as in there, with your light timber, your beautiful mosaic on your white tiles with your black floor, but that black floor running up the one wall. Now this shower used to have 2 panels with a little door in the middle, so a lot of glass to clean. What we've done here is created the open shower where you walk in. We've got plenty of falls in here, so this part is the high part of the room, and the 2 drains are the 2 low parts. So everything from here falls this way, everything from there falls that way, everything from the door falls to that drain. So if there's any spillage anywhere, it's all going to go to the drains, which is where you want it to go. The structure of this building is all solid brick. So to get a niche in the wall here for storage of your shampoo bottles and things, we needed to actually build the wall out, which has created another feature. But we're able to get the niche so the client can put shampoos and conditioners and all those sort of items in there. Well, one thing I want to show you, which is a really, really good little item here. This is this toilet roll holder that's freestanding, so I don't have to drill this into your tiles. So in a situation like this, here's the glass. So this is where you want your toilet roll holder, but you can't put it there. You put it over here, you're drilling into your cabinet. That actually voids the warranty of your cabinet. So if you ever drill anything into your cabinet, you've got no warranty on your cabinet anymore. So plus it's also a pain in the backside, so to speak. So where are you going to put it? What a perfect idea. You have this, so it goes over there when you need it. You pull it out the way. There's your toilet roll holder. Beautiful. Plus it stores your toilet rolls. What a really good invention. But I just wanted to show you that because this situation here pops up a lot when I get asked to design bathrooms, oh, where am I going to put the toilet roll holder? This is the kind of thing that does the job. So there you go.